They wanted the Great Migration paint out. Got my canvas stamped. Listen to Catherine giggle.
Oh, excellent, yes.
We got a goodie bag of coupons, a poncho, some snacks, coffee, Timbits, and Elaine's famous painting cookies. They are delicious. Then they have this wall of potential locations you can go paint. This year they also did an interactive map, which is pretty cool. I headed to Lakeside Park and took a bunch of pictures to plan out my composition. And this is so stupid, but I'm surrounded by beautiful nature and ducks and water, and I chose power lines. There's another artist headed to his spot. Hi, Sam. After moving my chair about 1,000 times, I finally got settled. I have a weird fascination with power lines. I asked the maintenance crew if I could sit in the lot, and they were fine with it. It's the most beautiful park, and I'm sitting next to the garbage can. I figured I should actually show you that I was there, so here's my face. So I got painting and did my first washes, planned out my composition, and this was actually a little different than what I normally do. I actually don't usually have so much nature in my pictures, so I was a little bit lost on how to do the trees, to be honest. The best part about doing a paint out is that once you get out there and you get painting, it's like time just stops existing. You forget how cold it is, you forget where you're at, and no peeking until the exhibit. So I went to visit my new buddy to see how he was doing. His art is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see his finished pieces at the exhibit. Then I went and had a break for lunch and went for my second painting. I was actually going to paint some of the churches in town, but I couldn't find a good parking spot. So I chose the Estate of Health, which is gorgeous, surrounded by these beautiful gardens. And I thought it was cool the way the sun was shining behind me. Look how I'm angelic. And I figured I'd show you my face again. There's my painting. And we'll see you on day 2. Bye!